Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Aditi Gupta. When matters of heart come in front, then they might lead to disturbing times or they might lead to the happy goody times. When everything falls in place, everything is goody and happy, then you can sail through. But what will happen if something happens that you don't want? When it's not so good? For those times, for those disturbing events, I'm here with you today, sharing with you some stuff that can help you sail through those times easily. In today's video, I'll be discussing with you the times when you are rejected or when your proposal is declined. The proposal might be related to love, it might be related to marriage. The proposal is talked about is in relation to heart matters. First of all, you need to understand that if the other person says no to your proposal, then that doesn't make you lower and the other person higher in any way. And also, it doesn't make you higher and the other person the bad guy in any way. It's just as simple that the feelings which you hold for that person are not reciprocated. It's nobody's fault. But when you are faced with the no, when those words come to you, then you have to say something. What is it? What can you say? First case scenario is when the other person is saying no in a gentle and polite way. In such cases, you can reply like this: thank you for replying to me and bringing clarity to the situation. I respect your decision. And then you wish them luck ahead for these matters. After this, it depends on the both of you. You can stay friends or you can part ways happily, wishing each other luck. The second case is the worst case scenario, when you are rejected and that too in a very brutal way. What can you do in such a situation? When the other person is rejecting your proposal, when the other person is saying no to you in the matters of heart in a brutal way, in a way which is not so polite, in a way which is not taking care of your side of emotions, then how you can reply? For that, you have to maintain your calm and then you say something like this: I'm sorry for bothering you and myself. Thank you for telling me clearly that you do not want this. I wish you all the best. And after that, you have to disengage from this person. This person is not good for you and is certainly not for you either for friendship or for heart matters. Now, these words have to come out of your mouth in the tonality in which I said. The tonality, the words, and your body language matters. But when will your tonality, your body language, and words be in sync? They will be in synchronization when you are thinking on the lines that I have described in this video. When you are just there to express your feelings and you respect whatever decision the other person gives to you, and in whatever way the other person is giving to you. Because you have to understand that you cannot control the other person. What you can control is yourself, your temperament, your attitude, and your words. I hope this helps you, and if you feel you want to say something to me, just write down in the comments below. You can visit my website, theaditigupta.com, theaditigupta.com. It is given in the description box below. And I pray to this universe that may you always stay happy, healthy, prosperous, and may you always stay close to Mother Nature. Thank you.